UGC NET 2022 Paper 1 List of important abbreviations based on Internet networks. So first of all, what we are going to see is some of the important abbreviations based on Internet networks. First one, FTP, File Transport Protocol, is also known as FTP, that moves a file between computers using the Internet service. Next one, HTML. The information is formatted by the hypertext markup language, so it can be transferred to the Internet. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, is a set of instructions for the software that is used to control movements of files on the Internet. IP. The IP, also known as Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. So the first letter is taken as IP. IP is the method of exchanging the data or information between the set of computers on the single network or the series of interconnected network. Next one, ISP. So Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider, that is called as ISP, is the organization that provides the Internet service to connect the device to the Internet service, that is called Internet Service Provider. Next one, LAN, Local Area Network. LAN, the abbreviation is Local Area Network, is a group of computer and devices service. Next, commonly used full forms and abbreviations. PAN, Permanent Account Number. PDF, Portable Document Format. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. Then IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. This you might have seen in the bank passbook. So ATM also, it is easy for you, and every day we use this PDF file, and this is the expansion of PDF, portable document format. And PAN card also we are using, that is permanent account number. This you may know it. Coming to the next one, FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Next one, Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. Google, every day we are using this, so this is the expansion of Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. Next one, Yahoo, this is also one of the search engine, so the expansion is yet another hierarchical officious oracle. Then window, this on the computer we are using it. So wide interactive network development for office work solution. Next one, computer, common operating machine, purposely used technological and educational research. Next one, virus. So this we use in computer, Vital Information Resources Under Siege. UMTS, Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. Next one, AMOLED, Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. OLED, Organic Light Emitting Diode. IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. Next one, ESN, Electronic Serial Number. UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply. Uninterruptible Power Supply, this we are using for the computer to keep the supply continuously, so if the power gone. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. VPN, Virtual Private Network. APN, Access Point Name. Next one, LED, Light Emitting Diode. This commonly we are using in our home also nowadays. Light Emitting Diode. DLNA, Digital Living Network Alliance. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read Only Memory. VGA, Video Graphic Array. QVGA, Quarter Video Graphic Array. WVGA, Wide Video Graphics Array. USB, Universal Serial Bus. VLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. PPI, Pixels Per Inch. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. HSDPA, High Speed Downlink Packet Access. Next one, GPRS, General Packet Radio Service. EDGE, Enhanced Data Rates for Global Evolution. NFC, Near Field Communication. OTG, On to Go. SLCD, Super Liquid Crystal Display. This OTG, every mobile, for every entry of the data, we get this OTG. After giving this, we will on to go. So OS, Operating System. SNS, Social Network Service. HS, Hotspot. POI, Point of Interest. GPS, Global Positioning System. DVD, Digital Video Disc. DTP, Desktop Publishing. DNSE, Digital Nature Sound Engine. OVI, Ohio Video Intranet. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. VCDMA, Wideband Code Division Multiple Access. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. DIVX, Digital Internet Video Access. APK, Authenticated Public Key. J2ME, Java 2 Micro Edition. SIS, Installation Source. Dell, Digital Electronic Link Library. ACER, Acquisition, Collaboration, Experimentation, Reflection. RSS, Really Simple Syndication. TFT, Thin Film Transistor. AMR, Adaptive Multi-Rate. MPEG, Moving Pictures Experts Group. IVRS, Interactive Voice Response System. HP, Hewlett Packard. Newspaper, North, East, West, South, Past and Present Events Report. Chess, Chariot, Horse, Elephant, Soldiers. Cold, Chronic Obstructive Lung Disease. Joke, Joy of Kids Entertainment. Aim, Ambition in Mind. Date, Day and Time Evolution. Eat, Energy and Taste. Tea, Taste and Energy Admitted. Pen, Power Enriched and Neb. Smile, Sweet Memories in Lips Expression. Etc. This is the expansion. Etc. Okay, Ola Kala means, that is, this is in Greek. Ola Kala means accepted. Bye. Be with you every time. Thanks for watching and subscribing this video. Share this video